getting your chip orders ready with a heart full of gratitude? Every repeat order reminds us how lucky we are to have such wonderful customers who keep coming back. Your support truly means the world to us. Thank you for trusting us time and time again. We can't wait to serve you again soon. And don't forget, you can always remember us for tutorials, homemade sweets, acar, and more. Thanks again.